Oh, good day, baby. Starting with a cough. That's always good. Oh shit! I have some sound on somewhere. YouTube, please. That should be it. Go for the double audio. So yeah. Today I have decided to, I don't know, I don't really feel like continuing on Mercenary Hub, unfortunately. I'm also just writing right now and doing all that schoolwork. Yeah. But still, we gonna do something. As every Wednesday, I'm gonna lower the sound a bit more. But yeah, last time also got cut short because I had to do that speedrun to get to submit my run for NJ, who's coming up in 2 weeks. I'm not wrong. Yeah, exactly 2 weeks, and NJ is gonna start. For more information, you can use !NJA for that. But yeah, what I decided to do was creating just a project to test out a bunch of simple game mechanics. Currently, we got this sample scene here. Right, sample scene. This is the sample scene. Yeah, we got scenes here that start with an entire new scene. And I call it pillars. Jump into that. Delete this one. And we are starting out entirely new. So, what we're gonna start with is make. I also imported the standard assets because I don't feel like making all the movement stuff. Also, yeah, let me do. Just call that out for once at least. I want the first person controller, I want that one here. I'm gonna start with. Let's throw out this one. It should now start falling down when I start. Also got the camera out on hold on it. Got this one, we got the FPS. Here. Layer. Then we're gonna make a cube. Hey! Jumped it! Thanks for the 2 months. Oh man, that's the first time I see that alert for real. Appreciate it. Always. I want to switch these around because I want the scene up there and the game down here. Close this tab. I should make like a subscriber icon as well. More work, yay. Anyways, we got a cube here. Now we're just gonna rename this to pillar. Let's see the easiest way to do this now. I think I'm gonna. Got the controller here. I'll do a mesh filter and a mesh render. Will be normal. I'm gonna put in a cylinder, normal cylinder. Oh, capsule. Material. Yeah, just throw this in here now so I can see the player itself for now. But it's a little bit annoying when it's purple, but it has to do. Anyways, then I'm gonna make this pillar and I'm gonna increase the size quite radically. It's gonna be quite high and also quite large. 3, and I think 5 more. 4. Let's do 4. 4 and 4. That's gonna be like 20 or something high. That's a bit much. 12. Yeah, so what's gonna happen is when the player gets too close to this object now, and if it's a wall, it's gonna rise up and just block the entire path. And from that on, we're gonna start making some fun stuff. But what we need more is another box collider. I want this one to be twice as large. Also, yeah, a bit more than twice, 3 times as large piece at least. And this is like 0.1 or something. Yeah, it's gonna be a trigger collider. And now we go in a folder called pillars. This will now be hold all the stuff I make. My folder scripts. And then we make a script called pillar. Because the pillar itself will be pretty dumb. You just have up and down and so on. Anyways, what I need is I'm gonna do a game object. Wait, I don't need to do that even. I don't need these either, I believe. Only thing I need is a void on trigger enter, a void on trigger exit. Then we're gonna have we just do the if author.tag is equal to player. It's also gonna be in both of these. Yeah, transform that position plus equal to new vector 3 dot no vector 3 dot up times. I made it 11 high. Oh, it's times 11. It's gonna make a public vector 3 waste state or waste position, then lowered position, and void awake lowered position is equal to transform that position. So this one does not need to be public. It's equal to lowered position plus equal, no, it's not supposed to be. And then we do raised position. Then we're also gonna have a bool. Gonna be called raise equal false at base and raise. I should always, so now we can toggle it off and on if it's gonna be raised or not. Because the entire floor is going to be made up of these pillars. 0, 0, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. -7. Yeah, -7 is gonna be the low position. I'm gonna have the high position. Next position is gonna be 7. Die. Yeah, not 5, but 4. Yeah. 7, and the best position is gonna be 4. I should probably just make. Yeah, I'm gonna make this float instead. Raise height. I'm just gonna have. Now this gonna be lowered position times vector3 dot up plus. Nope. What we're actually gonna do is new vector3 has lowered position dot x, lowered dot y. Now it's gonna be raise height and lowered position. Just gonna rename to start position. Sounds like that. Oh yeah. Something like this, yeah. Now go back into here. Float. This can be full. So where's the bool? Did I not make it public? Oh, I'm not gonna make it public either. It's gonna be. Oh wait, yeah, it's gonna be public because if I continue with this, it has to be public and I can't write code anymore. 2 public variables there. And let's continue back here. So now it's raise or not. Okay. Let's put another pillar. Four steps that way. And make a bunch of other. Just 4 steps both ways. Minus 4 steps. Minus 4 steps. 4. Minus 4. First one again, duplicated twice. 4. Minus 4. Here we go now. So we select all of this with the one here. With these ones, we select red. So now start these should pop up. Entirely enclosed. Let's make actually and leave this entire start area here. Move these one step out. 8 with D 3 8. We got 8 minus 8. What we do with this one is a start ground and just remove this component, this component. size to 8 by 8. 12? Yeah, 12 by 12. Oh. Duplicate this one, but also 8 in there. Duplicate this one, another 8. Duplicate this one. 4. Duplicate again. Minus 4. Another duplicate. Minus 8. Duplicate 8. 8. So I'm gonna duplicate twice. 4, 4, and 1. Minus 4. All of these gonna be. Now it should be too far away, so that it should not trigger before I go. Yeah, that's like a base mechanic. But now let's make it look nice. What we do now, we need to make it somehow move over time. We do this with a while loop, but I think a numerator would actually be better. I wonder if a simple animation would actually be the right way to go. Because what would be absolute simplest would actually be animation. With animator here, take a pillar this. Actually, I'm gonna make prefab out of this pillar because it's a very nice pillar. We're gonna open the animation. Create a new animator. Yep. Pillars, prefab pillars, and animations. Rise. A simple rise. Here we add property transform position. Then at the back of this to 4. So, now we have the rise animation. What's up? Animation cell. Loop time, no, not loop. Okay, we got this one, which we're gonna. Yeah. Parameter is gonna be a bool. Waste something. Let's do waste. I'm gonna create the state, make the I'm not very good at animations, but I guess this is for learning experience then. I want that. in another race here. Delete that one. This is gonna be -1. Okay. No. Yo, Rare Signet! Welcome, mate. Long time no see. Oh, what's up? I'm trying to finish school and now I'm just playing around with animations to see if I can understand anything. Seems like I cannot. I kind of want to... I'm just trying to make this as simple as possible now, and then see if it's any fun to play around with and then make it better. Anyways, we're now gonna have an animator. Anim is equal to... What are you doing? What are you up to though? I haven't talked to you for ages, I feel like. If I'm not mixing names again. That wouldn't be the first time. But anim.set bool raised, and then we have bool value true. What? Looking? That sounds bad. Raised with a... Why do I have a big R? I can have a tiny R. Because it's a variable name. Oh, we did. Yeah. But not that too. I just mixed name again. Don't worry about it. Excuse me. Okay, let's take... Which currently is the player? It's facing this way. This one would be a proper one. Why is only one working now? Yeah, I remembered. Sorry. Oh yeah, because this is the only one who made this one. Okay. Boom. So let's try this again. 1, 4, another one, 8, another one, -4. Duplicate, insert, duplicate, and this entire row, duplicate, change 1 to -8 instead, which gives some magic. I want this one, and I want duplicate these ones, put them back to 0, not that 0, this one to 0, and we duplicate them again, make a 4. Now duplicate -4, which would now do still only one rising. Why? I forgot to apply the changes. I'm not that fan of this new animations thingies. Oh, let's try this. If we got any motive. Oh, nothing more function still. Only this one. Oh. Let's remove that and add. Let's see if this works now. It's gone. Oh. What? Oh, the bloody. Oh, yeah, I can. Fuck. I need to go and change in the animation. Remove properties, add property, transform. Well, I just want to add one. Why can't I just add one? Huh. That's a bit annoying. Just removes all properties, not what I would like. Let's just... oh, whatever. We do. So, which means this... there wasn't an easy way to do this after all. Let's do it the hard way. Which means we're gonna go into pillar. Move this thing. Move component. Go on with it. Same with this, because animation will not help us here because it's a transformation thingy, and it doesn't allow me to just remove one. Let's make a EA numerator. EA numerator. Move object. I think in one parameter is going to be vector tree new position. What does it complain about? It doesn't return all values. I'm just gonna go to look at it. Yeah. Yield return new. Yeah, that was the one. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. And before of all this, we're gonna stop all coroutines. It's gonna be called before everything else. Then we do start coroutine move object, and it's gonna be start positions and here. Same thing up here, but it's gonna be that. So yeah, so now I send in here. Now this is gonna take care of everything. Gonna move towards a position. Let's see if someone has anything good. We're gonna have another vector tree here. We start position can be equal to transform the position when in here. Then we're gonna have a float step. It's gonna be equal to a magic number here now. We're gonna do some math. We're gonna do start position minus new position. It's gonna be the magnitude of these. Then we do this times time that fixed delta time. And then we're gonna have a speed variable here. Float speed. A constant float speed will be equal to like 3 for now. That should give a step. And then we do a while loop. Well, t is less or equal to 1. Not t that we haven't made yet, so it's going to be a float t equal to 0. Then we have t is plus equal to step. And then transform that position is equal to vector tree dot lerp start position to new position over the type of t. We have this in there. And at the end we're also going to do transform that position is equal to new position for safety reasons. Which is, again, magic. This should now give me the position and move all of this accordingly. I would like it to. This entire animation could just go fuck itself. Let's try this again. Yup, even this speed I can't have the time to get up there. I'm gonna make a serialized field constant float speed to be equal to 3. With the constant speed there. Oh, here instead. The audio listener. I could actually remove this one. Yeah, I can't make it constant. like this. Double the speed and let's see how this works out. Okay, that actually works out pretty nice. It's a bit loud, maybe the. That's half the volume down there. Must that stay half? Yeah, good enough, good enough. Okay, what we actually could do with this now is make a labyrinth sort of thing. Let's do that and then move on to something else. That's the very tiny labyrinth. Let's see. What if I should make a simple spawning script just for fun? I'm gonna do that. Level spawn. May spawn, but I'm just gonna have a public int double array. A public bool. Yeah, twin array. That's the level itself. How would that look in game? Good. I think I'll start ground and it doesn't show. Serialize field. Let's see, can you view 2D arrays or am I missing something? I can make a class multi-dimensional. This of course gonna be outside here. Then make a serialize. Inside here we make a bool array called first is x row. This is x row. I make another multi-dimensional array called y row, whatever. Then this should show up here. That's not because it's going to be public. Let's ignore this. Just delete it all. This would be like so much harder to actually make it. So let's just make one for fun right now. Let's show shaded wireframe. Oh, geez. Let's take this entire row. Here, this one. Look at this one. Move it 12 to 12. Like this one. Minus 12. And another one. 12. Select this. I think. Duplicate it. Minus in front there. That one. These objects. Duplicate them. 12. Duplicate it. Again, and pick minus 12. Now that's one more step. Already all done. Let's make one more row around them. I think I'm gonna start with adding weight. Call this level. So level is gonna be there first. I don't want that one to affect any of it. Let's select this entire row again. Duplicate it. 16. Duplicate you. Also 16. Duplicate again. Minus 16. Drop this. Duplicate. Minus 16. So all these 16. Make them again. 16. So this entire outer row will be everything. All these is gonna be raised, yeah. Also most of these. Select. Let's just make the level here. This one is not gonna be raised. Either this, which means and I can select this entire outer row. This thing not gonna. So now I made a simple level. Kind of like how it worked. It's still you can get up of those pillars, which means let's go in and change them a bit. And this is what we change. We're actually going to increase this to 2. Because I believe that earlier problem I had was that I could jump and it wouldn't. Yeah, it would not trigger them. Now I also made them a bit faster. I think I'm gonna make them even faster. Up to 10 speed. That should mean as soon as I can get them, boom. The reason I made this was because I could actually combine this with Maze Builder. I believe there exists quite a lot of tutorials how to do Maze Builders in Yeah, in Unity. Tutorials for that. Let's check this now. Maze generator. I'm gonna show you YouTube. It's also got a solver. But this does kind of what I would like to do. Yeah, but I don't think loading back to stuff. Yeah, something like that, but of course need to change the formula because it's gonna be a square grid, which means it's either a wall or it's not a wall. And let's continue, make another one. What could we make? Let's make another scene. Wait. Dodgeball. What we're gonna start doing is creating a room. So again, we start with going to shark test, showing a third person, I believe. Are the cameras some? Does not twitch me. This one. Spin around. I get the somewhat. Actually, no. Let's remove everything here. Bring your body first. That's what. Let me add a. Then again, mesh collider. No, not collider, but mesh collider is all. Mesh filter. Capsule. Under into here, I kan folder. Dodgeball. I'm going to create a material. Material. Player color. Can be added there. Back to the. I'm gonna start to make playing field. 2. Nope. 1.5. Then I'm gonna increase size quite. It's like 20. No, 50. Times 50. It's gonna be floor. Duplicate. Up. Be roof. We'll create a new cube. It's gonna be wall. Frame. Shaded. 5 in height. So here. Five. Yes, 3. 1.5. Actually increase it to 7 just to say 3. I'm gonna increase it on the Z axis by 50. Yep. 50. Only 51. I'm going to duplicate this one, move it up. Just put a minus. Duplicate these. This to 0. Should that, sorry, that. The 2, 1. Get this here instead. Oh. That's not nice. Duplicate. Just remove that minus. There we go, that's the player. So, how should I do this now? Now I want the ball to fly around. So everything of these in this bit. Object there. Gonna be the ball. Gonna be a rigid body. Another script called also ball. And now we're gonna go in and do some fun stuff. We're gonna have a serialized field flow that's gonna be force, and it's gonna be like 200 or something, even more maybe. And this is gonna then do public void add force, and a void awake. Rigid body, body is equal to game object that get component rigid body that add force. Actually, let's do this. Now in the tree, force is going to be force vector be equal to new vector tree random, that's range, minus force to force, and then we're going to just copy this 3 times. And then we have the force vector in here. And then we do a void fixed update if body dot velocity is less than, say, 5 or 10 or something. Then we do an add force. Magnitude, is that one about? Body dot velocity dot magnitude. Do a surface field float force. Just put a 10 for now. Actually, let's put that at 100 because we are crazy like that for. Hey. Look something up, kids. Then we go back into Unity. Add another material. Material ball color. I'm gonna make it there. It's gonna be oh, it's gonna be very not smooth. Oh, this has the ball script. Let's go. Oh, let's do this, kids. Can't you hide the roof? Yeah, take off the mesh run. Take the ball and yes, that's. What the hell happened? Did it fly off? It flew off into space. That's actually. Here, let's do a debug.log. Check this. Just so I understand what numbers we are playing with. like a. Let's put 1,000 through 20. See what's going on. I'm going to remove this as well. See what happens if I do this. Yep. Can I make like material, physics material as well? Here we go. And let's do boundary. See what's going on. Okay. If we change the material to rubber instead. The rubber is better than. Yep. All better. Yeah, let's go into here again. And go. Oh wait, we're gonna go into ball. And we make a ball of prefab. Yeah. Copy component, paste new. Just increase the size to like 5.5 or something. Then it's gonna be a trio collider because now we're gonna do something more fun. So now we're gonna avoid on trigger enter if author.tag is equal to player debug.log ouch. So that go back in here, up to console. Now we're actually going to do it more fun. We're going to duplicate this ball a few times. Throw them around in random positions. So I put off this. Yeah, ball. Go there. Yeah. There we go. Let's see how long we can do it. Oh yeah, I went back to player, that's why it doesn't trigger. Now I'm going to player, tag player, and just so let's try again. See, I'm not gonna do anything right now. Because I want to get hit and see that it actually works. Yeah, ouch. Ouch. Run. Ouch. Just a bunch of balls. What the hell is this? Okay, what I was gonna do is this, and force is greater or equal. Greater than force minimum, just as greater, and then you can just play around with this. This game is just for fun. Doesn't really serve any value. Shut. Oh shit. Hey. Ouch. Yeah, what you could increase this, I was just testing around because what you could do from here now is add multiplayer to it, so you spawn into air and control all the balls. Like more people than one spawn here. Then you can do like something that you can shoot the balls and they start going faster, and you want to be the last one standing. And when you get hit, you just get dragged ball into somewhere. I make a text file just. But yeah. That's another one down, just for fun, right? I'm really not gonna start making multiplayer because that's not worth it. It's just not worth it, mate. So I'm gonna move these scenes. Just one in there and do this. Oh. Let's go test this out. Right. Okay, I should jump as well. Yep. Ah. It's just a lot of scenes you can find on. What the hell? This is just fun to play around with, actually. You fly with your mouse. Holy shit. That's horrible. How do I steer up and down? How do I brake? Hold on. Okay, there's a lot of sample scenes here as well to play around with. What else? What else? I'm actually not really sure what to do else right now. Because these were the two ideas I currently had in my head, and I just threw them together. This one I'm pretty proud of. This one is just more just crazy fun. What more? What more? Is there anything more we can do? Put on the music again. That works. Should we, since I still have the let's go draw something. Let's draw buck. Oh god, I don't have create a download on this. I don't feel like they're using Paint for it either. Let me just download this real quick. If I can download it real quick. Yeah, like 4 minutes. So I might lose a bit of connection right now because I'm downloading Krita. But yeah, let's throw up Paint then. Let's do Paint for now then. Because what I would do is I would make some kind of uniform. Just move it. I'm going to get the right shape. I'll do quite tight. Look at this. Something up there. Okay, now we go this. That means we should now go a bit more inwards. Then we just do a bunch of bones. Not to be symmetrical. Again, I would probably move a bit of this and closer. And so. Now we make something like this. Of course, a lot nicer. I wonder if I would add that as my subscriber badge. Like, I mean, I increased for every level. And of course, I would make it probably make it different colors as well, like a gold color for 6 months or so, and like a bronze color. Let's actually duplicate this. Back in there, take a bronze color, put there, gold there, and then of course this one finer because it's not slightly tinier, it will just have less horns. Like something like this, just to simulate that who has been subscribed for long enough. And this would actually have a direct connection to the Agno store as well. I'm wondering if I'm gonna make the currency be called buck on, I thought. Let me check that up so I'm not lying to you. Yeah, there it is, and I'm going to. Yeah, $1 is like $1 and or €1, and then 100 phone is like cents. 100 phone is $1 and so on. Get some kind of money in there. Would this actually be? I wonder, would this be a nice way to do this? Would it be like symbolize it? Yeah, now I got the stuff done. Oh, would this look actually nice? Like if you would have this as a sub badge. Maybe some kind of thing behind it. Bit smaller, move it up here, then we take. Let's take this one for example. Put it around here. Actually, I would like to have the. Let me check, yeah. I'm gonna move this over here so I don't show every file I have again. Hello, Tubster. How you doing? How you doing, bud? Software. Next. I'm gonna move. Let's take this one for example. make this some kind of background maybe. Like something like this would be a final icon. And you could make more advanced ones for better. Let's close this and actually open Krita instead. Oh, I don't have a drawing pad. Don't. Okay, then we'll go to this again. Open. Let me just go check this about the size of things before we carry on. Yeah, so we technically only thing we have to do is to create a new one. We have to take the size of 72 times 72 because that's the maximum. So this is what we more or less have to work with. Boom. So So, the fuck is this bullshit? Yeah. That might be better. And what we're gonna do is let's put up some references. A lot of them also have like a shape like going this way, or a bit further like this. Other ones have like a perfect circle. I cannot draw because I'm there with the mouse. Anyways, you get the idea. Some has just a weird shape. This looks pretty nice. It's more like a crown, which means it goes around this. They have like overlapping. Like that. Which is pretty nice. But there's a lot of nice ones, and the crown ones I kind of like, but they are a bit harder to make simplify. Let's actually add a new layer. This is gonna be the background. Let's add a background for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a background. But this one, rotate it. This one would leave left for me to fill out. That's why I wonder, would it start looking better or not without with a background or without a background? Like this is one background I can make. It's like rather simple. This would be kind of small to have for the bigger horns, so I would probably change the background later on. Also, the background would also have a horn. And on this would be the horns themselves. Wait, how can we now then make the horns themselves? We should start with a circle, drawing a circle, simple circle. In some, let's find a bronze. Bronze hex code. Can't even do X code on this. Let's also make it kind of small to start with. Christmas? Really? Oh, yeah. But I don't think I have access to those icons though. I don't have the plain background, I just have something else in front of them. Let me see if I can find them somewhere. Should have them. There, the assets. Right. If I pull in this one, like I could use these without bigger troubles actually. Like I would just take this. Wait, first we do a color picker. Take that. Really no. There we go. Got the background. I would copy this back here and boom. I view this one. Oh, because it's so goddamn large, that's why. Background. Oh yeah, it's filled in. Oh, I do not want to say that. Definitely not. Yeah, now I got that background there. Easy piece of excuse. So let's make some simple horns now. Let's first of all let's find a bronze color. Something that looks a bit bronze. Something like this. Let me go into the like this. I'm going to find tree. This circle. Okay. 4. There. What the hell is this? Let's restart. Clean! This to start in. Like this one and put it down because this is gonna be the. It's gonna be like the first subscriber badge. So yeah, now we got this one bit here. Oh, that's about center, isn't it? Something. We take this and just let's remove some of this. Bit more. I want something quite small, something like this. No? But now I can actually use this as a model. Rico! Welcome, mate. How you doing? Just raise this a bit, which gives me a quite a better shape on the horns, if you ask me. Ah, being lazy is the best kind of lazy. That made absolutely no sense, but you don't have to make sense of it. Carry on. Yeah, Bricko, I'm trying to playing around trying to make some subscriber badges. No. I'm doing quite fine, I guess. I got quite a bit more to do here and there on schoolwork and so on, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with the current situation of life. Got something like this. Let's move on to 2 points. Then I'm going to change the brush. Wet paint. We're going to detail. Go into airbrush. Basic. 2. Now I can start. What side I do like more? Well, honestly, I'm better at coding overall, but I almost prefer the design part right now because I'm starting to feel kind of burned out on code overall because of all the shit in school and so on and everything that does not work. So I would love to do more design, but my current situation does not allow me to do that much. Yes, is the answer. Like, how's that? Quite simple. Something for this for a subscriber badge. I'm gonna move it around a bit, center it. Here's a question, is it better with or without the background? Because it disappears quite a lot if you move the background. Because that's... Oh. Yeah, that's the problem, of course. Is that it will probably not look as good in 16 by 16. I wonder if I'm not gonna do just... let me just take this one and increase the size a bit. Yes. Something like this. Let me take this one as well and just... That just looks zoomed in right now. Let's... can I even increase this size here anymore? Could increase it a bit more. Something like this would still be quite valuable, or doable. Which increases a bit in size. But I cannot go any more further with these horns. Duplicate this layer, by the way. Go into... Jeez. Fire this one. Looks like creep with sides cut off. Oh, I made gold. Like, this one is already actually better. I'd say. Which is a lot more visible on the background. Might be just the colors that's not working properly. Good. Yes. Might be. Yeah. We got chip colored. Can we change the color for this? I would like to change it without like messing up everything. Like that. That's not what I want to do. Why does it change color? I don't get that. But let's keep that one. Then we go into paint again. No, we should. That's what the. Why? What am I doing? I have no idea what that. Oh. Just paint this again. I like this. This way. I got a few. Gold one. This is silver. Not really sure why that works. Oh, that's selected too. Oops. It's not. Yeah, this would be the bronze one. And if I'm drawing. Why? What? Let me just save this and try it. Start it over and see what. Go into stream stuff. So, close this and let's start it up again. Stream stuff, mode, subject. Yeah, so now the error is gone. Okay, let's continue with this actually. I'm gonna take the silver one. Select the bronze, then also select the silver one. Then I just kind of delete everything on the silver layer. Back to point 2. And let's trace this a bit now. I want this to go. There we go. This will go somewhere up. This one should continue up there. Yeah. Another one there. Other one would continue there. Other one would go there. Other one would continue that way. This thing. We have the bronze. Upgrade to the silver. I'm gonna take the gold one. Bit more orange. This will be the gold. Then again we do pencil, increase it to like 200, something like that. Delete everything from the golden layer, back to 2. And then we select the silver and have the gold as selected layer, and then we continue tracing again. Now we're gonna change the form a bit on the horns in total. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna there we go. It's a good golden color. I don't want it too bright. Rico said it. What is this? Let's remove the gold. New layer. Name gold. Okay, let's try tracing again. Yeah, I'm gonna change the horn shape a bit because this one's still gonna go there. Still a bit more inwards. We got another one. This one's gonna go again a bit more inwards. We're gonna go up quite high. This is Krita, yeah? There's another horn going inward there. Up. Let's make this to a 1. Go. The horn going up there. Back to 2. The horn going there. Another one going quite the same pattern. Going inwards there. 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 Okay, let's actually change this to 1. There. That was the silver one. This. We got the gold. So bronze, silver, gold. Well, it's like Photoshop without text tools. Because the text tools in Krita is absolutely horrible. And vector art just recently got into, or proper vector art just recently got into. But still, it's a nice alternative to Photoshop. It costs several hundreds. Or, I don't know what it costs. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, one more layer. It's gonna be the platinum. I only used Photoshop and Illustrator of those. Then I used GIMP somewhat and then Krita. Though GIMP I don't find useful at all or fun to use. Okay, last one. Let's start with making this. Another one going this way. Continue by going this way. There. That way. Continue with one going there and one more going really high there. Turn it around a bit. That's the end point on the other side as well. I'm going here. Going that way. I guess it was because Microsoft suddenly gave a packet to all schools that can use this for free. Yeah, this is now, like, first time, this is the base one. And after 3 months you get the silver, 6 months the gold, a year. Like, I can't say it looks too bad. But I wonder if it would be... Yeah, it's a free to play, I know. But I don't know, if they just gave it so you can use it for free with Inkscape as well, what's going on? It is probably too small to use for 16x16. That's gonna be most of the time. I wonder if I'm just gonna do a plain background here. Don't ask me. I have no idea why they would do that. Let's do... Okay, that background is not nice, to be honest. Let's do this one again. All corners. Look like this. Select it. Rotate it. Leave it like that, something. And we take this one. Fill the middle. Breadcrumbs to make it almost like a bad shape. I guess. Let's try to play around with some simple right now, because I really think I have to increase the size of these horns. They are way too small. I'm just not sure of it. I'm gonna open a new one. It's gonna be like 16x16 was the lowest one, I believe. Yeah, that's probably one that will be displayed all the time as well. If I create that one, I'm gonna copy the bronze and the platinum. Copy, paste it in there. Yeah, like that's how they would look on 16 by 16. So Python can copy that, paste it in here. Yeah, so I wouldn't mind you have to use the entire thing. I need to do that because otherwise the horns will just wait. Let's make this about as large as I want it to. Like that would be the bronze ones. I have the silver. Same. Gold. And finally platinum. Now on this one scale will be bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Like, silver is probably the one I like least. These ones. I have to fix this. I saw to fix this, so I don't like it. I definitely don't like it. It's too not point enough. Like this. Okay, let's put like a 20. What is that? A bit better, but not fully. I would do it if I know what you're talking about. Which I do not. I have to retrace this bronze one. Didn't I have this on 2 when I walked on? That would probably be good enough for these. Bronze, silver, gold. Yeah. Just experiment. So, experiment. What could we do with the background itself? I don't know. Like can I do with the background? I don't know if I can do anything. So I would like having some small parts of it. This will be quite nice. I could actually just do this. Select everything, delete it. Another one in here. Okay. Start over. In black one. Or something like this. Then we do this one. Layer. $45. No, not 150, 400. We got this like. I don't know what's wrong with that. What? Okay. Oh, you mean like it gets a shadow around the edge, yeah. I'll do if I let's make this gray color. Was gray. Gray. Gray is such a oh, let me do lay yes. This one. Yeah, they currently don't have this in English though. Explosions! Maybe put something like ridiculous. Oh, that's not too bad. That's with the green one. Kinda like this, but it's like you wouldn't get anything out of it really. This one. I think already this would probably look a little bit better. Silver of course does not work with this. What's up, Pink? Fuck yeah. Dark team to the team of Twitch. Yeah, I have that on, I believe. You should probably make the outline not black. Else. Silver, something like this, probably. That's visible on us. The rest of them are still visible. Yeah, but then I could go into here. This one I would probably shape color to either white. Nothing will happen. Could change. Switch purple. That's not Twitch purple, by the way. Purple is. Well, it's just that most times dark colors really are a complementary color. Fine. It just looks better a bit. I'm not much for black and white per se. But I prefer playing with black with like red or yellow or something stronger. Strong red or something. Everything in between. Sometimes I take these. Let's take these horns and play around with this and this. One. Well, I like when that you put the I kind of like how having this outline here because it does quite a lot. Let's do it the same on the rest of them. Add this, put it to 1. It's like there's different objects instead of just merged into each other. I could actually just remove this one. Yeah, that actually does a lot. But I don't really like it without anything. Of course, it's a lot less cluttered. I have no background. So we're all horns by themselves. But yeah. Now what's the question? This is like the size it would be on. This is like the size it would be. Kinda be on the stream itself. I wonder. Is it better with or without the background right now? I wonder if let's actually remove that one. Wait, I want it, but I'm gonna click it back. I'm gonna make it. Export it. Let's do a success. Which should we try on? Let's try the gold one because I like the gold one. Export. Gold. No, not as a creator. As a PNG. There we go. PNG. Boom. Boom. Hey! Oh, I got wolves. Fucking wolves, man. Good to God. Fucking wolves, man. I also got one on the... I actually got a painting over there. You can see it a bit there. It's far away. Oh yeah, I got... That's actually a puzzle my dad made, and then my mom made like a painting of it. Then I also got... Actually I'm gonna take a pillow here. Let's see that. Hold on a second. And my mom found also... Fuck, how should I do this? Well, I got wolves in my bed as well. I got that one on the pillow, and I got two went to a lady on the sheets. Yeah, okay, wolves. So I can't agree on the tiger part. My friend likes tiger, who just went to play something on Steam, but I prefer wolves and valkyries. I would like to call them angels, but then it's more... If you say angels, people immediately start thinking about like, you know, biblical sense. But that's not the case. But yeah, I had to export something. This one. And this is like the full size. I don't know what I have as first and second, to be honest. Wolves has been with me a long time. Valkyries just opened up, but it's so incredibly hard to find something resembling Valkyries or Battle Angels or something. At least if you try to buy clothes or something. Damn right, impossible almost. Unless you're a girl. Those This girl callout's always so much better. Like wish or like. Look at it. Yeah, this would be like the gold one. I actually believe these could be useful. Let's export another one. Bronze. Silver. Of course, the platinum. Yeah, NJ is up in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, man. Exactly 2 weeks. I have to start working on the schedule, though. Yeah, let's open all of these. Bronze, silver, gold, button. Oh! Is it? Shit! That's not good. That's definitely not good. It's supposed to go here. Let me change that real quick. Thank you for checking that out, mate. I won't say anything about that because I'm definitely not the best Discord user. Custom. Okay. Edit. Submit. Let's try that again. That should take you to the right place. Oh. Sorry about that, but I had to remove that link just to get it over with, because that was wrongly placed. So, NJ again. The Marathon Talk is the right link. That's the one we want. So yeah, let's check this now. We got this one here. And we got the gold. Actually. Bronze. Silver. Oh, they can. Yeah. Those bastards. But yeah, I think these actually will do quite nice for a start. I only got 1 subscriber, but still, he gotta get the bench though. If these gets accepted, of course. Let's go throw them in. That's some emotes. This is the one I want. Probably gonna have the same problem as everything else. Stream stuff, emotes, bronze. Bronze. Oh, I have to remake those, of course. Yeah, I now have to create a 16 by 16 and a 32 by 18. Bad. It's gonna be 18 by 18 and a 36 by 36. Out of these, we're gonna remove this one. Let's start with the bronze one. That's the 36 one. Paste in another one here. Oh yes. Look at that 16 by 6. Okay. File, export. Something called bronze. 16. Okay. This one as well. Poof. Dive, export. Subdecal. Not 16, it's gonna be 18. Oh well. We changed that name. Yeah, let's drag in the silver one. Export, this is the silver 36. Let's finish all the 36 ones first. Doing this, and layer. Oh. Layer. Switch these. Boom. Export. Gold 36. And then lastly platinum. Whoops. Okay, export platinum 36. This, we don't want to say that. Let's drag in another one. Silver layer. Boom. This one's a bit hard to see though. Plus this one. Boom. Gold one though looks pretty nice here. I like the grey gold colors. 18. Okay. And lastly platinum. That one also looks pretty nice. Yeah, Brico, see ya. I'm probably gonna upload this. Or actually, I'm gonna quit the stream now. This probably will do just fine. Gonna upload these. We're going to the silver. Gold. And final platinum. There we go. Now they're all uploaded, which means we're done for today, mate. That awesome wallpaper, and we're out. So anyways, we're gonna hopefully get those uploaded soon, and I'm already been 1 hour and 40 minutes. And 2 hours and 40 minutes streaming. That's longer than I usually go. I'll take it. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody. Until next time. See ya.